culinary explorers. You ready to create a snack that's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and completely plant-based? Today, we're rolling up our sleeves and baking some seriously delectable tofu nuggets. Get ready for a flavor-packed adventure. Ingredients: just 1 block of extra firm tofu, pressed and cubed and 4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons maple syrup or agave nectar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and ½ teaspoon paprika, 1 cup breadcrumbs if gluten-free breadcrumbs if needed, cooking spray or oil. Preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit, 200° Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika to make the marinade. Toss the cubed tofu in the marinade and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes. In another bowl, place the breadcrumbs. Coat each marinated tofu cube with breadcrumbs and place them on the baking sheet. Bake for 20-25 minutes, flipping the nuggets halfway through until they are crispy and golden. Serve the baked tofu nuggets with your favorite dipping sauce. Ready to shed those extra pounds and trim that stubborn belly fat naturally? Click the link below to discover a proven science-backed method to achieve your weight loss goals while maintaining a healthy, sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment US, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.